Welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So today what I'm going to show you how to do is I'm going to show you how to put a quick connect system on your 1500 watt ATV. So if you want to switch battery packs, like we got 2 battery packs here. So if you want to switch one out on the go, you can actually do that. So we're going to show you how to do that today. So you're going to be putting a port in like this. And then you're going to be connecting a battery wire like this. So this wire goes directly to the controller. It's a heavy gauge, so it'll take that power, and then you just plug it directly into that battery. And then if you need to switch out your battery pack, because you have a spare set like this, this one's going to be obviously in a box just like this. It's going to also have that connection on it, and we're going to switch them out, and I'll show you how to get that all taken care of and connected. And it's very handy. So it'll double your ride time. So when one battery pack is done, basically just slip this new battery pack in, plug it back in the wire, and you're all set to go. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that now. Okay, so you'll notice now I've got everything soldered here. So now that it's all soldered, I can put this battery back together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect my 2 wires here. Disconnect my ground cable. Now I'm going to put my plug into my box. Just like that. So it just looks just like that. Now I'm going to put my screws in. So you'll notice where I soldered it here on the wires. I'm going to cover that also with black tape. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick, and then I'm going to put my screws in to hold my switch down, or to hold my plug in. So I'm just putting screws in to hold the plug in place. Just like that. Now I just have to, like I said, black tape this up, hook my battery connection ends back on the battery, and then I can put the top back on my battery. And I'll show you then the next step is hooking up the wires to the controller wires. So I'm just going to do this, like I said, do a quick wrap here, and I'll be right back. So now you see everything's all buttoned up. The battery's back together. Now all you have to do to plug in your battery is just boop like that, and then just plug in. You plug in like this, and this plug-in right here, I'm going to get rid of that, and this wire is going to go up to the controller, and that's what's going to connect the controller then to the battery. And then anytime you want to switch the battery, just unplug, then to the next battery. So next I'm going to go ahead and get the controller in the unit, so I can go ahead and put this wire on and show you what it's going to look like. Okay, so we're back now. So you'll see my power cord. I've got my controller back in, and I've got my power cord hooked up. I just put the red up and the black up to here, and now I've got my power cord right here like this. So now I'm going to bring my camera to the other side. Now we'll see our quick connect right here on the battery box. All I have to do is take my power wire, plug that in, just like that. Everything's all set up. So now I'm going to turn my key on, and let's see what happens. Goodness. Okay, so now we've got it set up. Now we're going to turn our key on here. And let's see if it, oh, I got some tools sitting on the tires. All right, let's see what happens when I crank the throttle. Some drive, and all right, here we go. Yep, and it works perfect. So now, if I want to change that battery, all I have to do, unplug my wire like that. Come over here and pull out my battery pack, and then just put my new battery pack in, re-plug in my wire, and I'm back on the road again. Now, the only thing that's gonna slow you down or take you a bit of time is just taking off this footwell. But I mean, 10 minutes of taking off a footwell or waiting 4 to 6 hours for your battery to finish charging, you know, it's a no-brainer. So that's it, guys. That's how you put a quick connect on a 1500 watt battery system. Hope you guys liked the video, and so like and subscribe, and hope to see you in the next one.